Hello friends and welcome to lesson 81 of the first lessons book by Julio Sagreras. We'll be dividing this lesson into two sections of 8 measures each. Let's prepare our left hand by placing a D minor chord shape, that is, finger 1 on string 1 fret 1, finger 2 on string 3 fret 2, and finger 3 on string number 2 fret number 3. Similarly to lesson 80, we are going to include finger 4 on string number 1 fret number 3, turning it into a D sus4 chord shape. To prepare our right hand, we're going to bring the thumb to string number 4, the index to string number 3, the middle finger to string number 2, and the ring finger to string number 1, as usual, and we lift it just a little bit, making sure that the tip of the fingers are close to the strings, to make it easier to get those strings at the right time. This is one of those lessons where the index, middle, and ring fingers are always going to be plucking the same strings, and the thumb is going to be dealing with string number 4, 5, and 6. Measure number 1 starts with an open fourth, string number 2, 3, 2, 1, and then we remove finger 4 as we pluck the first 3 strings at the same time, making sure that fingers 1, 2, and 3 are pressing firmly on their spots. Let's see that again. We're going to keep finger number 1 where we have it, and we're going to bring finger 2 to string number 2, fret number 2. To play measure number 2, we need open 5th and open 3rd strings. We play string number 5, 2, 3, 2, 1, and then the first 3 strings at the same time. And with these 2 first measures, we can see a finger picking pattern emerging. And that finger picking pattern is always thumb, middle on the 2nd, index on the 3rd, middle on the 2nd, ring finger on the 1st string, and then the first 3 strings at the same time, index, middle, and ring fingers. And this finger picking pattern is going to be governing the majority of the measures of the lesson. To play measure number 3, we need to position finger 1 as a half bar covering the first 3 strings, finger number 2 on string number 1 fret number 3, and finger number 4 on string number 1 fret number 5. We play the same finger picking pattern with the right hand. Thumb, middle, index, middle, ring, and then we remove finger 4 and we pluck 3 strings at the same time. Measure number 4 is exactly the same as measure number 1. To go into measure number 5, we're going to keep finger 2 right where we have it, string number 3, fret number 2. We're going to bring finger 1 to string number 2, fret number 1, finger 3 to string number 1, fret number 2, and finger 4 to string number 1, fret number 4. We play the same finger picking pattern. Thumb, middle, index, middle, ring finger. We remove finger 4 and we pluck the first 3 strings at the same time. To play measure number 6, once more we need a half bar with finger number 1 covering the first 3 strings. Additionally, we need to include finger 3 pressing string number 4, fret number 5. Finger 4 goes to string number 1, fret number 5. We pluck the same finger picking pattern. Thumb plays string number 4. Thumb, middle, index, middle, ring finger. We remove finger 4 and we stroke the first 3 strings at the same time. In measure number 7, we go away from the finger picking pattern of the right hand. We start with open 5th, then we position a D minor chord, finger 1, string 1, fret 1, finger 2, string 3, fret 2, and finger 3, string 2, fret 3. We pluck the first 3 strings at the same time with index, middle, and ring fingers. As we bring finger number 4 to string number 6, fret number 4. pluck it with the thumb, and then we bring finger 1 to string number 3, fret number 1. We are going to remove finger 4 at the same time that we pluck the first 4 strings. And then we are going to go into an A7 chord shape with our left hand, that is finger 2 on string number 4, fret number 2, finger 3 on string number 2, fret number 2, and we remove finger 1. We are going to pluck 5 strings almost at the same time. The thumb is going to pluck string 5 and 4, and then index, string 3, middle finger string 2, and ring finger string 1, as swiftly and smoothly as possible. We're going to try to keep finger 3 pressing the whole time. As we bring finger 2 to string 3, fret 2, we pluck it, and then we do a pull-off towards the open string with finger 2. And then we bring finger 2 to string number 4, fret number 2, and we pluck it with the thumb. If you end up that section with a feeling of suspense, that is very good. That's the intention of it, and the suspense is going to be released with the first measure of the next section. That is measure number 9, which is a repetition of measure number 1. Measures 9, 10, 11, and 12 are a repetition of measures 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's have a quick review of those. Measure 13 and 14 are a repetition of measures 5 and 6. We begin measure 15 by plucking the open 5th string with the thumb. We place a D minor chord shape, and we pluck the first 3 strings. We pluck again the open 5th string. We bring finger 2 to string number 2, fret number 2, and we use open 3rd and 1st strings at the same time, as we bring finger 3 to string number 2, fret number 3, and we pluck strings 4 and 2 at the same time. And to finish the piece, we bring our hand all the way to the 12th fret to do a natural harmonic on the 12th fret of the 4th string. To produce a natural harmonic, we need to place our finger very close to the fret, in this case fret number 12, and we have to make sure to not press the string, but only touch it slightly. Once we produce the sound, we can lift our finger completely, releasing the sound of the natural harmonic. And there you have it, friends, lesson 81 from the first lessons book by Julio Sagreras. As usual, in the description box you will find a link to a play-along video where you can practice with me this lesson at a slower tempo. And you will also find links to other important resources to develop your guitarmanship and musicianship skills. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one, and always remember to enjoy the process.